This is Joseph Anderson, CEO and founder of Connex. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to sync sales from QuickBooks Online to ShipStation. I've already done the setup of pairing, and I want to focus more on how to format an address and how to sync an order. We'll be syncing invoices today, but you can also sync sales receipts. The first thing I recommend in QuickBooks is to go to your account settings, go to advanced, and turn on your class tracking. This is optional. I recommend adding a class of ShipStation to your orders. This will ensure that only orders that you approve go into ShipStation. Often we'll have customers do a two-way sync of orders and invoices. And when they sync any new invoice, the orders go from QuickBooks to ShipStation and then from ShipStation to QuickBooks and back out again like a circle. So you see like Amazon, Walmart, and your direct-to-consumer orders flowing back into ShipStation when you don't want them to. So once that's enabled, you can go to your customers area, and I've chosen this sample here. Click edit. I want to make sure that all the address info is completed on the order because we pull the address information from the customer record first. You can do a customer address on an order, that's fine. So when you click new invoice, you'll see that it already populated everything here. Now let's say you want a different address. That's not a problem. Maybe you want to ship to Joe Example. Joe Example, hit the enter key, and you want to put in, let's say, 100 Anywhere Drive, hit the enter key, Watertown, and that's it. So in every line, you just want to make sure you hit the enter key, and that goes on one line. I've added a space after the comma, and I've added a double space after my postal code. I've entered ShipStation as my class, and I'll just put on my products and services like you have seen here. So now that that's done, you've formatted an address properly. The Connex software will pick up on this and you'll see an order that's flowed over. Now in this account, you'll see two tasks. This is indicating that it goes at a scheduled interval. I've asked it to go every 24 hours. You can adjust this and do, let's say, point every half an hour, for example. If you go to dashboard, you can run a manual sync and you can choose orders dated by a certain time if I want it to go ASAP. And in a couple of minutes, you should see some activity over here. So now that that's done, let's take a look at a sale that's synced. You see here we have SS Test 1198. We have everything going in. And that's how you sync the sale. Once that's complete, you can create a shipment over here and ship it. And you can instruct Connex to do a two-way sync. So we go to Orders from Accounting Software. And you only want to do invoices in this example, so we'll choose invoices. And we'll just want to make sure this is all set up properly. So we'll choose ShipStation as a class. So I'll make sure that's all set over there. We'll go to this section. We'll enter manual orders because that's where we want to send the sales, and we'll click it. I'll also click invoices, payments have paid, or if you don't want to close it with a payment, you can just choose this. So that will indicate you have the sync set up properly. You've got your two tasks on here, and you can adjust the interval as you see fit. And the sync should run as normal. And that will end my demonstration for today. To get started, go to connexecommerce.com and start a free trial. Thank you.